For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.
I'm the best, so do not test the top of my profession. The master of my chosen field, of that there is no question. Take the time to listen to what I have to say. So what I have to say, game that we have to play. It's serious, serious.
As a chef and culinary artist, presentation is everything. Not just in how I serve my food, but also in how I represent myself. Chef's role allows me to showcase my talent and connect me with opportunities from all around the world.
I'm in control of my reputation online. I can showcase my photos of food. I can link to the press that's out there, and I can also list my experience. It's a professional network that's custom tailored to me as a chef.